This is WAEC June 2020 General Mathematics Paper 2, and we are answering question number 1B, and the question reads, tickets for MUB Premier cost $18.50 each, while the bulk purchase price of 5 tickets is $80. If 4 gentlemen decided to get another 50% to join them, so that they can now buy these 5 tickets at 80 naira and share the bulk purchase price equally. The question asked is how much would each person save? So let's attempt to answer this very question together. Solution to the problem. What you do first to answer this question is to find the price per ticket if it were bulk purchase. If it were not a bulk purchase, the price per ticket is $18.50. So let's just get the price per ticket according to this bulk purchase. So bulk purchase price per ticket is now going to be the amount for 5 tickets, which is $80 given in the question, divided by 5, the number of tickets given in the question. So dividing $80 by 5, if done correctly, you have $16. This will now be the price per 1 ticket if it were a bulk purchase, which means these 5 gentlemen will now each bring $16. For them to gather $80 to buy the 5 tickets. So let's just move. So next is to find the amount each person is now going to save. That amount will now be, if it were not a bulk purchase, each person is now going to pay $18.50 to collect his ticket. But as it is bulk purchase, each person in the end, they are now paying $16. So we'll now find the difference between $18.50 and $16. So we now subtract $16 from $18.50. So subtracting correctly give result $2.50. This would now be the amount each person is now going to save. So with this, we have answered the question. Let me just share with you quickly the mark distribution for this very question as it is done in the marking scheme. The very first mark is method 1 mark, and you have this method 1 mark in attempt to find the bulk purchase price per ticket. That is dividing 80 by 5. You have this method 1 mark. Next mark is another method 1 mark, attempting to find the difference, that is the amount saved, subtracting $16 from $18.5. You now have this method 1 mark, and when the subtraction is done correctly, you have $2.50. You have this accuracy 1 mark. So if everything is done correctly in this very question, you have 3 good marks.